Hello. Today I will show you the best alternative to CricFy that lets you watch live football on both PC and mobile phone. This app looks very familiar to CricFy. As you can see, I am using it BlueStacks emulator. So if CricFy is not working for you, this is another simple option you can use. First, let's start on mobile phone. On your browser, search CricZ APK. Open the first link and download the app. As you can see, the app looks familiar to CricFy. It has many channels. Just select the game you want to watch. On PC, we need to install BlueStacks emulator, download CricZ APK and drag and drop to install CricZ app. In your browser, search BlueStacks emulator download. Select official website and download installer file. I will skip the installation process since it is straightforward, so go ahead and install on your own. Before opening, search CricZ APK, open the first link and download it. Before that, open BlueStacks Multiple Instance Manager and make sure you are using a version that supports installing the latest APKs. Make sure you have Pi 64-bit. If it is not there, click Instance, then Fresh Instance, and select Pi 64-bit. Once that is ready, go ahead and start it. On the right side of BlueStacks, select APK icon. Choose the downloaded APK and install it. As you can see, it is installing. Open the CricZ app and select any game you prefer to watch. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.